Hello. In this video, we're going to go over foiling and distribution. It's going to be a very quick video because it's going to just cover the basics of how to solve these. All we're looking for when we have one number multiplied by a binomial is we're just going to distribute. I'm going to write it out over here a little bigger. Well, it's number 3. I should start with the correct number. 2x times negative 2x minus 3. All I do is I need to distribute, which means I need to multiply this term to the first term and then the second term. So let's go for it slowly. The first one is 2x times negative 2x separated by a minus sign of 3 times 2x. We distribute that 2x to both the first term and the second term. We will then clean up negative 4x squared minus 6x. That is how you fully distribute. Let's do another one really fast. If I do 5y, y squared plus y. All I need to do, let's do y squared minus y. Again, all we're going to do is distribute my 5y to both terms. We see 5y times y squared is 5y cubed. 5y times y is 5y squared. Do not forget the sign, negative 5y squared. Keep that sign in between. That is the correct answer. Easy stuff. So let's go over a little more complicated ones with two binomials multiplying, and then we'll be done. So let's do number 5. Number 5, we see now that both of these parentheses each have 2 terms. So we can't just distribute one term like we did above. What I need to do, and let's put a little line in between. What I need to do is I need to distribute each term, the first term. So I need to distribute this first guy to both the terms in the second parentheses. And then we're going to need to do that same thing with this term. And we're going to multiply this to both sides of the parentheses. So let's do it. 2n times 6n is 12n squared. 2n times 1 is just 2n. Let's put those in this color. Next, we're going to have 2 times 6n, which is a positive 12n. Positive 12n, and then 2 times 1, which is a positive 2. At this point, all we're going to do is combine like terms. And we can see our final answer will be 12n squared plus 14n plus 2, because I can combine these two. They are like terms. That is your final answer after foiling or distributing. Easy. Let's do one more and call it a day. 13. 13, we see 4p minus 1 squared. Well, what does anything squared mean? It means I need to multiply that same thing to itself again. So I need to rewrite this as 4p minus 1 times 4p minus 1. And then from there, we will be able to get a correct answer. So again, I'm going to distribute the first term to both, then the second term to both, and then we will combine. 4p times 4p is 16p squared. 4p minus 1 is negative 4p. Negative 1 times 4p is again negative 4p, so we'll write it out again. Negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1. Again, we will combine our like terms. We will clean everything up. And we have our final answer. Easy stuff. If there are any more specific foilings you would like me to cover, please just send me an email and I will cover that in another video. I will go over trinomial factoring and binomial to trinomial, sorry, not factoring, foiling. So trinomial foiling and then binomial to trinomial foiling in another video. Hope everyone has a great day.